So on this free body diagram, I have four forces going in different directions. In order to start, I'm going to do this in the x-axis. I'm going to call that negative, and I'm going to call that positive. So force net equals all the forces in that direction plus all the forces in that direction. So force net equals negative 25 newtons plus, plus 10. So I get a force net to be negative 15 newtons in this direction. Now what's interesting is you can choose either direction to be positive or negative, but once you've made that choice, you need to stick with it. And since I've assigned this way to be negative, my answer is in the correct direction. But if I want to calculate net force in the y-axis, I'm going to call this positive and this negative, and my force net equals all the forces in this direction plus all the forces in this direction. So my force net equals 3 plus a negative 3. So my force net equals 0 newtons. With this free body diagram, I have only one force going away from the center of the Earth. I'm going to call that plus, and I have two forces going away towards the center of the Earth, and I'm going to call that negative. So force net equals all the forces in this direction plus all the forces in this direction. And so when I replace numbers, I get positive 10 plus a negative 4 plus a negative 4. When I do the math, I get plus 2 newtons, and it's going in this direction just to cover all of my bases.